Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to connect a wireless mouse with your Android mobile. Okay, here is my Protonix Dot 1 mouse, and I'm connecting by using 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, you can see here now it is on 2.4 gigahertz, and this is the USB connector. So I am connecting this thing to my USB OTG adapter connected, and just connect into my phone. Okay, and you can see here the pop-up is coming, configure physical keyboard. So it is mouse working. You can see the pointer is here. So in this way you can easily connect your Android mobile with your wireless mouse by using a OTG connector like this. Okay, and there is no additional settings needed. Like some phones need to go to the settings and turn on the OTG, but actually in some phones it does not need that settings. If normally not working, you can go to your settings and search about OTG, then turn on the connections, and that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.